We are a week away from Fully Loaded. It will be the end of an era. We'll discuss that and more this week on Shotgun. Michael Cole for the vacationing Kevin Kelly alongside Terry Taylor at ringside. And here comes the beef.
Following tag team contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first on a combined weight of 567 pounds, Bradshaw Farouk the Acolyte.
Next Sunday on pay-per-view, Terry Taylor, the Acolytes, in an Acolytes rules no DQ match against the Hardy Boys and Michael Hayes for the tag team titles.
I have a feeling that is a license to kill for the Acolytes. Michael Hayes, great motivator. He has the Hardy Boys achieving gold here in the WWF. It isn't about the gold in this match with the Acolytes. It's going to be about survival.
And we will see Michael Hayes in singles competition a bit later on in the hour here on Shotgun. And it's going to be Bradshaw now against Danny O'Brien to kick things off this week on Shotgun. But what a show, and what about the huge news this week, Terry Taylor, that Jesse the Body Ventura is returning to the ring.
To you, McMahon.
We're going to show you highlights of the press conference from Minnesota this past Wednesday. The Body will be special guest referee for the main event at SummerSlam. And what a boot to the back that time by Bradshaw. The Acolytes in a foul mood since losing the tag team titles.
Yeah, Michael, they're always in a bad mood, the Acolytes. Watch this right here. Bradshaw, bang! Hurts his foot, kicking this young man right in the face. Two different angles. Could have won the match right there, but chose not to, and tags Farouk in.
And this is Flash Flanagan now, the brunt of that right hand to the midsection by Farouk. Farouk has never looked better. He's been in shape. And what about the hurt and the Acolytes put on the Big Shot, Hardcore Holly, this past week? Oh!
Yeah, Holly, I think that his new phrase is that all you got? And he's earning respect from the Big Show and the other WWF superstars because this guy refuses to stay down.
And here's a cover now, and Farouk, well, he didn't want to go for the victory that time. And speaking of the Big Show, it seems that Holly is humoring the Big Show a little bit, that the Big Show is sort of gaining some respect for Holly being either nuts or having some big ones.
He's going to need big ones when he is the special guest referee when it's going to be the Big Show versus Kane at Fully Loaded.
Farouk right into the announce table with a head of Flash Flanagan. That's going to be a war at Fully Loaded. Kane, Big Show, Holly, the special guest referee. And Farouk with those steel stairs now.
Do you know that the Acolytes, Michael, get disqualified more times than they don't? And at Fully Loaded, they cannot get disqualified.
We just saw some Acolytes rules.
That's
right there.
Be the end.
Stare to the face. Referee calls for the bell. Timmy White. Going to be a disqualification of the Acolytes here. But keep in mind, Terry, at Fully Loaded, it doesn't matter.
That's right. All that does is motivate and upset the Acolytes. They want to beat people up, and they will continue to do so until they've had enough, not their opponents.
Farouk and Bradshaw can go into Fully Loaded and beat the heck out of Michael Hayes and the Hardy Boys. They can throw the kitchen sink at them, and it's not going to matter. No disqualification. Acolytes rules. The Acolytes can once again be tag team champions.
I don't see any way in the world that these two gentlemen, Farouk and Bradshaw, will not get the titles back at Fully Loaded.
It all happens at Fully Loaded next Sunday.